American Trucking Associations, in partnership with its Technology and Maintenance Council, is proud to announce that the National Technician Appreciation Week will take place June 14th to the 20th. This will be our 7th year of this event. This is an important opportunity for our industry to recognize highly skilled professionals who keep our trucks on the road and our industry moving forward every day. We are also excited to debut the new National Technician Appreciation Week website at NTAW26.trucking.org. It features a ready-to-use social media toolkit, and to all you technicians out there, I want to thank you. As dedicated men and women, you perform one of the most critical roles in transportation. You ensure vehicles are properly maintained, repaired, and safe to operate. Your expertise, precision, and commitment not only keep freight moving efficiently, but also help protect drivers and everyone who shares the road. Be safe and have a great week. Thank you.
Thank you, technicians.
Thank you, technicians.
Thanks, technicians.
Thank you, technicians.